Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you my recipe for a special shrimp wonton. And I'm going to show you a real neat trick that will give your shrimp a really nice texture when you bite into it. I usually eat my shrimp wontons with instant noodles. So I'm not going to make a soup for this because, instant noodles have soup already. And shrimp wontons is always a great addition to instant noodles. I made a video eating a bunch of Thai instant noodles. I'll put a link at the end of this video. I made that video about 6 months ago and I am still constipated, but it was fun and worth it. I'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. All right, so here is the shrimp, and of course, not a lot of ingredients. This type of recipe is a very basic, simple recipe with a nice, clean flavor, and that's it. So right here, I have about 350 grams of shrimp that has already been deshelled and deveined. And of course, we have some wonton wrappers. Now for this shrimp, what I did was add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda plus 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I basically created a brine. And after the baking soda and the salt, I kept it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And what the baking soda is gonna do is gonna help give the shrimp a nice crisp texture. And you can't really tell, but it's also plumped up too. And after the 30 to 45 minutes, I basically washed off the baking soda and salt with some fresh cold water. And right here, I've got some wonton wrappers and skins. These are both from the store because they're just very basic, simple ingredients, and it doesn't have a lot of preservatives. So the first thing that we have to do is to get the shrimp ready, which is very simple. I'm just gonna cut the shrimp to about 2 to 4 pieces, depending on the size of the shrimp. Shrimp wontons or shrimp or pork wontons, these are very fun and easy things to do as a family. So you can always get your kids involved and, just have some fun and make some good food. And I'm not gonna cut all of these. I'm just gonna leave some as a whole piece, and I'll show you how to wrap these up soon. Because for now, we're gonna marinate all of this. So I'm gonna season this with about 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing wine, a teaspoon of pure sesame oil, and make sure the bottle says pure sesame oil because they do sell a cheaper blended brand. So make sure the bottle says pure on it. Plus 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon ground white pepper. So I'm also going to add a little bit of chicken base, about 1 teaspoon. This is basically MSG, but it's also mixed in with dehydrated chicken and some garlic and some onions. And then finally, 2 teaspoons of corn flour or cornstarch, depending on which country you're from. And just mix everything up really well. Okay, so now we let this marinate in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so there are a bunch of ways to wrap shrimp wonton. So I'm gonna show you a very simple way because I'm a simple guy. So you put the shrimp on one corner like that, take some egg wash and just run it halfway down the wrapper. Just flip the shrimp over just like that. And I'm just gonna seal these edges. Make sure that there's no air pockets. All right, so you see that it's completely sealed. Some more egg wash, put it in a corner and just go from corner to corner. And you made yourself a nifty little wonton. And there's a reason why I like wrapping it this way, and I'll show you why after I finish cooking it. So let me show it to you at another angle. I'm gonna take some chopped up shrimp, put it on one corner, okay? Take some egg wash, run it down halfway across the wrapper, and then seal up the edges, just like that. Make sure you remove the air pockets. Some egg drop, some egg wash, corner, corner, take the furthest corner down to the bottom, squeeze, and then the final corner, take it over and squeeze. All right, just like that. Not technical at all, very easy. Anyone can do this. That's why it's great to do this with your kids. And if you can't wrap your shrimp wontons perfectly, don't worry about it. Isn't there enough in life to already worry about? Right? Just relax and have fun. So we just dropped the wontons into some boiling water. And just carefully stir them up so that they don't stick to the bottom. And you know they're done when they start to float up just like that. So like I mentioned in the beginning, I usually eat my wontons with instant noodles because instant noodles is just not enough. It really is just the perfect way to jazz up your instant noodles. So I mentioned before, the reason why I like wrapping whole shrimp is that you get to see one whole piece of shrimp. And if you want to see me eat a whole bunch of Thai ramen, check out this video. And as you can see, it is another easy and simple recipe to make at home. But remember, I do make deliveries, I take Bitcoins and camels as payment. So see you all next time.